Today, I'll walk you through how to add a unique ID when a form response is submitted to Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to implement this feature so you can efficiently track your form submissions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. This is your starting point for accessing all Google services. You can think of it as the front door to your digital workspace. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the top right corner. This is where you can access various Google applications. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. Now, from this menu, select Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create and manage your spreadsheets similar to opening a notebook where you can jot down all your important information. Next, locate and click on your job application form, Responses. This is where all the responses from your form submissions are collected. Imagine this as the filing cabinet where you store all the completed forms. Now we need to add a unique ID to each response. To do this, find column F in your spreadsheet. Right-click on the header of this column and select Insert One Column Right. This action creates a new column where we will generate our unique IDs. Think of it as adding a new section to your filing cabinet specifically for IDs. With the new column highlighted, it's time to enter a formula that will generate these unique IDs. Type in the following formula. Equals array formula, ifs row A1A equals 1, request ID is number A1A, REQ and write 00000000000 and text A1, A0, 10, 6, 11, true, I for 1/0. This formula will automatically generate a unique ID for each response based on the row number. It's like assigning a serial number to each item in your inventory. After you've entered the formula, press Enter. You should see the unique IDs populate in the new column. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. And there you have it, you've successfully added a unique ID to your Google Sheets form responses. This will help you keep track of each submission effortlessly. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.